Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 18th December 2025, Margazhi Masam 3rd, Thursday, Vishwavasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Hemant Rudo, Margazhi Masam, that is Dhanur Masam, Krishna Paksham, Chaturdashi, Thursday, that is Guruvasram, Nakshatram up to 9:39 p.m., Anusham, then Ketai Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Kalam 1:30 to 3 p.m., Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m., Guliyakalam 9 to 10:30 a.m., good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Mesha Rashi. Sunrise at 6:28 a.m. in Kerala. Shulam South. Prayachittam Ginjiri oil. Shradhatidi Chaturdashi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. This is today's Panchangam. All blessings from Ma Mookambika. Namaskaram.